Hi, I'm Chaitanya here, your Facebook ad expert. And today we're going to talk about WhatsApp ads. WhatsApp ads has become very popular and there is lots of traffic which is being generated by running WhatsApp ads. And in this video, we will go and learn about WhatsApp ads. So watch this video till end and let's launch a successful WhatsApp ads campaign. Head over to your Facebook ad account, whichever you have. If you're having a business manager, go head over to business manager. If you're running ads on personal account, head over to personal ad account, right? So when you come to the ad account, the first step is you need to do is click on create. When you click on create, you get different objectives from Facebook. Now I'm going to talk about all of these objectives in a different video, but let's in this video stick to launching WhatsApp ads. So check out my other videos in the channel where you'll find ads, how to run ads on each of the specific objectives. So for running WhatsApp ads, we need to select traffic and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you need to select certain budget for your ads. If you're running ads, you can start from the minimal amount, whichever you could afford, and then decide the budget. So go to advantage campaign budget, click that on, and then by default Facebook will give you 800 per day budget, which is derived from like most of the advertisers spending on the Facebook ads, and that's the common value which has been derived, which is 800. Now you can also start running ads from as low as like 100 rupees, and it could also fetch you results as well, right? So based on your budget, decide the budget and enter your budget over here. Then next, head over to the ad set, where you need to select the option as WhatsApp. So under WhatsApp, when you select as WhatsApp, here's where you need to select a page, from which page you need to run ads. So for me, I'll select such as, let's take the Himalayas, so which is I'm taking for this example. So before that, you need to connect WhatsApp account to your Facebook page. Now to do that, you need to head over to your page settings, and then on the page settings you will be having linked accounts. In the linked accounts, you need to connect your WhatsApp. So check out my other video where you will know how to connect WhatsApp to your Facebook page, right? And remember that you need a business manager account to connect WhatsApp to your page, right? So once you connect that, your number will appear here after you select connect WhatsApp to your page. Once that is done, then there is an options to choose the audience for you. Now this choosing an audience is limited to few accounts. So in fewer accounts, you will be able to target the audience in the WhatsApp ads. In few accounts, you won't be able to target audience in the WhatsApp ads. So Facebook is now slowly releasing the updates. So as you go on, you will be able to see you can target the specific audience for your WhatsApp ads. Okay, and if you've not got the access to, so keep checking now and then, you'll be able to find to choose an audience to target. Okay, so once that is done, make all the necessary changes which you want here, and then head over to the ad. Once you come to ad, choose the media what you want to upload. Either it's an image, it's a video, or it's a carousel post you want to do. Select all of that, then give your primary text, give a headline, and then choose a call to action which you want to give. Okay, there's lots of call to action which you can give it here. Once that is done, then you will find a message template. So here's it becomes more interesting, where when somebody comes to your ad, when they click onto your ad, they directly land up onto your WhatsApp. Now when they land onto WhatsApp, you can go ahead and qualify them. Okay, so that is something which needs to be done here. Okay, so you need to specifically select and give, or maybe ask questions which you want to give them a welcome message here. Maybe you can ask any sort of questions which you want them to click on, and once that is done, save, give the template name and click on finish. And when you're done with all of that, you just hit publish. Your campaign will be launched successfully. Now if you have any questions, put that questions in the comment box below. I'll be helping you out, answering all of your questions. And if you like this video, hit that like button and check out my other videos where I talk about more of Facebook ads. So I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.